my Winjas. This is Maya. Today I'm going to show you how to take your beast and level it up even more, and how to take your loaded beast and make it even harder. So what I'm talking about are the primal movements that I've been showing you in my previous videos regarding animal flow and primal movements. So make sure you go check out those episodes, those videos. I feel like I'm on a TV show here before you watch this, because we're gonna take what we've learned and we're gonna make it a little bit harder by adding even more strength. So here we go. Leveled up beast. Let's review the beast. All right, so hands directly underneath the shoulders, knees under hips, and then you're gonna protract your shoulder blades, rounding them, pushing the ground away, zipping up the rib cage, and then you're gonna lift your knees 1 inch off the ground. So you will find that your knees are probably gonna end up by under your belly button by the time you lift up your knee. So make sure you've got this beast down packed, and then I'm gonna show you the beast press. Woo! So the beast is already freaking hard enough. In the beast press, we're gonna be bending at the elbow, thereby engaging the pec muscles, the shoulder group, and the upper back as well, as we continue to finish the check and protract the shoulder blades up to the sky. And as I press down, I'm also going to open my hips at the same time. So you're gonna get hip opening action, more quad burn, all at the same time. So check it out. Okay, activate beast. Now, you want your elbow pits pointing out when you're in beast. And when you do the press, you're just gonna bend at the elbow, bringing your chest down to the ground while you open your hips. So this is what it's gonna look like. Belly into the spine, bend at the elbow. Woo! See how my knees are coming out while my elbows are coming out. So, oh my gosh, you're gonna feel your glutes like, what the hell? This quad's gonna be like, ah. This arm's like, damn. I forgot how to speak English. Okay, so let's see how it looks like again. Beast, press, press, press the ground away, push the ground. So the only things that really move, the hands and the feet stay in the same position. It's everything else that moves, but it moves as one unit. Press. Don't lose your core, don't lose your plank. Keep that belly in, press. Finish the check by raising the shoulder blades up to the sky. Oh my goodness. Yo, you gotta try that. Give that a try, see how it feels. Let me show you the beast press from this angle so you can see how my elbows go out and my knees go out. So, beast, press, press. Ooh. Okay, if that's too hard for you, you can definitely do it with less range, and you'll still get really good benefits too, because you're still gonna get hip opening, you're still gonna get tricep engagement. Just make sure you're bringing the spine to the sky at the end to finish that check, to give yourself that upper back engagement. Out. Over time, you're gonna see that you're gonna go lower as your hips go wider. Shaking. We know that our beast travels backwards and forwards. So now I'm going to show you a way to take locomotion of the traveling plus add pushing and a lot of triceping in it at the same time. So check this out. You remember how to do a forward traveling beast? So, beast mode. Now you're lifting opposite limbs. You're maintaining stability through the shoulder girdle, through the hips. Nothing changes. We're totally stable, right? Make sure you've nailed that first. Now, watch what I do. I'm gonna actually do a push-up. Each time I do a crawl. What? So, how does this work? Crawl, push. Crawl, push. So, elbows go back to the back of the room, and then it's like a staggered push-up, because one elbow is gonna go this way, while one elbow is gonna go that way. Still pointing back, but you're gonna have one narrow. So how it looks facing forward is I'm gonna go boom, 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 as I crawl and push. So it's super dynamic. It's gonna take a lot of brain function as well, because you're like, what? What do I do? What do I do with my hands? What do I do with my feet? You gotta coordinate everything. And I love brain gains as well as body gains, muscle gains, because our brain is magically neuroplastic, and it can change. So when you train yourself properly and you challenge yourself with locomotion, you're gonna get all the gains all day long. So I'm gonna do it for you unbroken, if I can. I'm gonna travel forwards, and then I'm gonna travel backwards while continuing with the push as well. Okay. Crawl, push, crawl, push. Not losing any engagement. You're like a freaking beast mode, robot. Okay, backwards, woo, backwards, woo. Triceps, quads, shoulders, pecs, all at the same time. Oh, God, where's my water? Oh, love it. Now let's level up our loaded beast. So the loaded beast is already a leveled up version of the beast, because when you're doing it correctly, you're gonna get crazy time under tension situation with your shoulders, your lats, your quads. Everything is like a spring. I think about the loaded beast as like a spring under tension, like it's about to snap out, and that's the position that we go into to get that front kick series started. But I'm gonna show you how I take the loaded beast and I do a push-up with it to give myself a full body workout. So let's review the loaded beast. Engage beast. To loaded, you're gonna push your hips all the way back as far as it will go. You're gonna take your hands and move it forward as far as it will go. And you're gonna rest your head in between your arms. So push, 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 push. Everything is pushing, pushing. Oh my goodness. You're gonna feel massive tension. And it's really good for shoulder mobility as well, because I'm opening my chest, stretching out my shoulder joints. If the loaded beast is too difficult in that position, because I want you to have your knees hovering, you can drop your knees. But just remember to keep pushing and extending your body as far as you can for me. So this is what I want it to be, is with the knees hovering about 1 inch off the ground. If you need to, you can drop it, but you can still fight for that stretch. So in the loaded beast push-up, we're gonna blast off from that spring position into a push-up. So check this out. Whew. Loaded, push-up. Loaded, push-up. Loaded, push-up. Woo! Oh, damn, I felt that in my toes, yo. So that is definitely advanced. Make sure you're nailing your plank, you're nailing your beast, you're absolutely nailing your push-up before you try these variations. Because there's no point in doing it unless you're doing the regression properly, because that's how you're gonna get more benefits. It's gonna feel better, you're gonna get stronger, see more results, get huge, bro. So I'll show it to you again. Load it, come up, push up. My body is moving as a plank. back to loaded beast each time. Damn. Okay, check it out. Watch how I'm gonna flow all these things together. So this is freestyle here, I didn't plan this. I'm going to do a beast press, then I'm gonna pop up and do a couple of beast crawl presses, and then I'm gonna load it and do a couple of loaded push-ups. Whoop, whoop. Okay, catch my breath. Okay, whew. Beast, press, travel, travel, loaded, push up, beast press, push up, loaded, and press. Woo! Okay. Yo, you gotta give those a try. You're gonna love it. You're gonna feel muscles you've never felt before. This is Maya. I love teaching you how to move and how to move in a fun way because it's so freaking fun. It doesn't have to be difficult or lame or a dread. I love adding the fun in functional training. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, comment and let me know if you try this, and check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and my website. Everything is under Move with Maya. I gotta catch my breath, and I'll see you next time.